money.
Yeah, come out, shot. He missed. Come out the court, nigga.
Okay, bet I'ma handle that. You didn't keep it P? Okay, bet. Stand on that. All these designer clothes, I look like a damn boost. 160. Fuck, that's true. I'm chirping in the morning. They weak hoopers. Them niggas ain't ballin'. They weak hoopers. They weak hoopers. They ain't worried about that. Real person. Yeah. Real person. Get it done. I can make it look straight. I can teach finesse. And I'm about my chick. Better come correct. You know, stay show. Trap straight boom. I'm a weed loose. I can make the dope straight. I can teach finesse. And I'm about my chick. Better come correct. You know, stay show. Trap straight boom. I'm a pack move.
Toy money.
You got 2 plays.
But it's still so penny every day. Gotta make the bread, you gotta stay consistent every day. Keep me in a cage. I'm the type of mother niggas wet, have a stomach ache. I just slung off a new 10, I got expensive taste.
Don't even settle for the shot, make it move. Yeah! Yeah!
If I sing a 5 to your bank, you getting 150. Sliding in there and she thinking about Ryan and Whitney. Every time I wake up in the morning, I gotta sit alone. Baby, we gon' go on the phone, you know that shit, bro. Niggas getting mad cause they fun going super low. Yeah, and they see style. Rap on dick shit with a whole lot of eyes. Like, you spit a bit cause I'm finna see some shit. Yeah, you legit on me, but it's your real. Go some shit up on the front of baby. I ain't nothing like your ex.
Get out! Take that shot! Hey, come on! Keep on. Go. Here! Alright. Go. Get up on him. Shooter. Oh!
the biz, that how it's supposed to be. They like, there go Super Wiz, damn, I can't roll in peace. Behind the tent, you see my chain, bitch, you notice me. I'm up a couple wheels, I'm about to ass, I'm on to the fleet. Lil' shawty, you ain't nothing, I can tell by how your feet look. These